probably been using the DigiInks for, I would say, at least 8 to 10 years. We had bought them a Mackie and found that the inks were very expensive, and DigiInks were a third of the price. Their inks are just as vibrant as the originals. They're not like copies, if you know what I mean. So I didn't see no point in buying the originals. We also have another machine there that is direct to transfer for printing T-shirts. It runs Epson heads. So the supplier said we have to use their heads, which are £1,200 each. But that's not true, because DigiInk do the Epson head at £500 and something, which is less than half price. Carriage, minimal, comes within 3 or 4 days. We're in Ireland. I think it ships from somewhere over in Europe. So we've had no problems with them at all. Great company to deal with. If you're worried about something, you just order a small order and try it. I didn't have a problem with them. The stuff came in. It's brilliant. I'm still using it till today. We still give them regular orders.